All right, so I'm gonna tell you something that big tech companies really do not want you to know when it comes to their safety tools. So, several cybersecurity organizations across the US analyzed the effectiveness of Meta's safety features for the platform and released their findings back in October. The report was co led by the former director of Facebook's Protect and Care team, who has since become a whistleblower and a safety advocate. In their findings, the researchers revealed that a majority of Meta's security features for minors under 16 were buggy or no longer functional when tested, and that Instagram's overall product design makes it harder for teens who need help to receive it. For example, back in 2021, Instagram announced the rollout of its hidden words function, a tool that is turned on by default and claims to automatically hide or filter comments with common offensive words, phrases, or emojis. But when the researchers tested this tool with this comment, none of Meta's protective systems were triggered. In fact, it was sent and received without any prompts to reconsider, and no warnings were provided to the recipient. They also found that Instagram's multi-block feature, which is supposed to prevent harassment and stalking by people who create new accounts to get around being blocked, was not functioning correctly. The report also includes several recommendations that Meta can implement to keep its younger users safe online, and it echoes what parents in Virginia and across the US have been begging lawmakers to do for years, and that's holding big tech companies accountable when they fail to protect kids online. But instead of listening to communities and cybersecurity experts, Governor Glenn Youngkin is passing laws that limit minors under 16 to 1 hour of use per day on certain social media apps like Instagram and TikTok starting in 2026. And he's claiming that that is what will improve the mental health of Virginia youth. Local parents say this legislation is just skimming the surface of a bigger issue, that Virginia lawmakers need to stand up to big tech to protect kids who use their platforms. As the fight for protecting Virginians online and offline continues, make sure you're following Dogwood for updates.